authenticity. Hello beautiful people, it's back Corinne and welcome back to my channel. Before I get into this haul, I'm very excited about sharing all these pieces. I wanted to give a little disclaimer. So I moved in the beginning of November 1st, and I took a break because it was just very chaotic between moving and then trying to manage like holiday content, brands and work and stuff like that. So I could not do it. Kudos to everybody who's like keeping up with Vlogmas and everything. Kudos to them. But I couldn't do it. So I'm finally back though, and I'm very excited because I do miss YouTube. But I'm back with a really good haul. So me and my friends, Amina and Shay, we went to the outlets in Cabazon, California. It's like, I think that's what it's called, Cabazon. If you're ever on the way to Palm Springs from Los Angeles, you would pass it up. I saw it a few times and never really stopped, so this was the first time I've been. I went to Gucci and YSL like a couple of weeks ago because I was looking for a very specific bag, and two of the sales associates there told me I need to go to this outlet, and I'm very excited with my purchases. So today's haul is technically a Christmas, birthday, end of the year, I work hard, gift to myself. So my birthday is December 30th. Obviously Christmas is December 25th. And this year has been really good to me. So I just wanted to treat myself. And one of them was on my wish list from last year, if y'all watched that video, and I'm very happy. So let's just get straight into the haul, and I'll tell you everything about the outlets and everything that you need to know shortly. All right, so I'm gonna start with the item that was on my wish list. I saw it and I knew I needed this bag. If you watched my wish list video from last year, you know that the Loewe Puzzle bag was on my wish list. I really didn't care what colorway, but I knew I wanted one. I really like how the bag looks. I like the shape. I love how understated it is, but if you know, you know. Majority of them have like really fun colors. You can kind of make it work with a lot of different outfits, so I'm very excited to get one. I was looking at them on the pre-love market because a lot of people say that it's best to buy them pre-loved because they just have so many for a good price. And to be 100% honest, they retail, well, the size I like retails at $2,800. So I wasn't really open to spending $2,800 on this bag. So where we were at the outlets, I found this one and I was obsessed. All right, so they obviously gave it to us in the bag. It's from the actual store. The stores are legit, and they put it in a little duster. The duster doesn't have a name on it or anything, so it's just a good, actually, I lied. It has the logo at the bottom. And, oh my God, I'm still obsessed. Oh, she's pretty. This is the bag, y'all. She is the size small, so I got a size small, and if the mini is a little bit smaller, the medium was a little too big for me, and then there's a large, I believe, but this size is perfect. It comes with a top handle, it comes with a shoulder bag, and I also like that the shoulder bag is adjustable. It has about 4-5 different holes on it, and then this to keep it down. You can also detach the shoulder bag, so if I don't want the shoulder bag on it, I can take it off and just wear it like a top handle. The only thing that I wasn't too crazy about was the fact that it's silver hardware, but I think all of them are silver hardware. I don't think I saw a gold hardware one on the website. The leather on this feels so good. If you ever wanted to know what it feels like, it is the softest bag. Like, oh, it just feels so good. So it has a little logo right here on the top. It has a little logo right here. You open it and this is how you get inside the bag. It is interesting. Like, it has a zipper right here. And so it's kind of like a catch-all bag. Everything just kind of goes in there, and that's pretty much it. It has a little spot where I'll probably put like a wallet. And then it has like the authenticity. The authenticity. And then the back has a little zipper, so you can put something in here, probably a wallet too if you don't want to reach for your wallet all the time. My wallet's really small, so I think that's perfect, and it's just so pretty. I love how neutral this is. I'm still a neutral girl. As much as I try to get colorful bags, I realize I still gravitate towards neutrals, and I also realized that I didn't have that many white, so this is like a white cream and a gray. I don't have any gray bags, and I thought this was so pretty, and this tan is amazing. I'm obsessed with this color, brown, tan, caramel kind of color. It's like cognac. It looks really good in the fall, and it also looks really good in the summer, spring. It's like an all year kind of brown, and I really like how expensive it looks. How the outlets work is that pretty much everything there is a one of, or they have a few of them, or they got them from like the warehouse straight, and they're not currently in season. So pretty much you're gonna find stuff that's probably last season, and they don't really have current handbags unless it's a company that has pretty much year-round bags that they always have, and they make them the same bag for a couple of years. They'll probably get one or two in the outlets. But when I got there and I saw this bag in Loewe, she was telling me that they rarely get neutrals. They normally get this bag in like the really fun colors, because those are the ones that don't really sell as fast. So they'll get those in the outlets and people will buy them there. But she said this was their first time in a while getting neutrals, and they only got 3 of this bag. Obviously everything in the outlets is pretty much discounted. So this bag retails at $28.95, and I got it for $1,900, which is about $1,000 off, which is a really good deal in my eyes. A whole $1,000 off, and it's brand new. Nobody's ever worn it. It's a brand new bag. So even though I didn't get it from like a resale company or anything, it's still discounted, and I was looking at this bag for a discounted price. Note about the outlets: we got there at 9:50. Pretty much all the stores open at 10. Some of them open at 11. We got there at 9:50, and some stores already had lines. We instantly went to the Saint Laurent store first because there was a bag I was looking for in particular. Right next to it was a Gucci, and the line was wrapped. They had about, I want to say like 20 people in line. They don't let everybody in at one time. You have to have a few people in there at a time. They normally want a sales associate with like a group, but we went to every store that you can think of. We went into a Balenciaga. They actually had a lot of good stuff. They had a lot of the city bags, that's her style, for I think about 30% off, which was pretty good. Went to Bottega, and I almost got this pretty pouch bag. Oh, it was purple. It was so nice, and it was on there for $1,800, and everything in that section was 50% off, so it was $900. And I didn't get it only because I just got that bag, and I was like, I don't need this, because there was something else that I wanted to get. So I'm so sad I didn't get it. It was very pretty, and it was so nice. We went into Fendi. They had more ready to wear than they did handbags. We didn't get to go into Gucci. We went into Prada. They actually had a lot. I did see some things, but it wasn't anything that stood out to me that I just needed. A lot of it was kind of like simple. I went to Saint Laurent. I got something there. That's my next thing I'm showing you guys. And then we went into Valentino. I didn't really see much there, and I think that was it. Back to Saint Laurent. There is a bag that I want, the Sunset, but the one in black and white. And I initially was going to get that for my end of the year gift. I think it retails at $2,300 or $2,400. So I was going to get that for myself because it's really classy, and it was going to match some shoes that I just got. And I had a vision for it. And I realized the only black bag that I really have is the YSL Loewe in the size small. So they didn't have it. They only had one Sunset, and it was like this really pretty tan color, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So I saw this, and my friend Amina and I, we both got the same bag because we were both obsessed. It comes in the duster. So a little story time about this bag. I actually wanted the Louis Vuitton bum bag, but I don't know what it was. Every time I would see it, I just didn't want to get it. I don't know why. I like it. I really do like it because I like Louis Vuitton's print or whatever. It was kind of casual, and it was brown. Again, it's Louis Vuitton. I know it's going to be, that one was going to be brown. But if I could find it in that black empreinte, am I saying that right? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I couldn't find it, and it kept being sold out. So when I saw this, I was obsessed. And I was like, this works. This works for me. So it is a YSL bum bag. Super pretty. It has the YSL logo right here on the front. It is snake skin, that little print. It is super soft. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's so cute. And it opens like this. It's so sleek. It opens in the front like this. And it has a little spot right here in the back for you to put maybe like your phone in here or your wallet if you don't want to put it in the bag. And then it zips open like this. I'm going to take out the stuffing real fast to show you guys. It zips open like this. They give you all the information. And we have another zip compartment in the inside for like coins and stuff like that. And it's actually pretty spacious. Another thing that I liked about it, it has this chain so you can wear it as a crossbody. You can pull it down and wear it as a crossbody like this. You can kind of adjust how the crossbody, how high you want the crossbody, because it has like the little holes all the way through the strap, so you can adjust it as tight as you want. You can wear it on the side if you want, like this. You can wear it as a true bum bag around your waist. I'm probably never gonna wear it like this. I'll probably always wear it like this, but y'all, it's really pretty. It is so nice, and I like that it's black, and I also like that the chain is black. It felt really sleek and sophisticated. So the price of this one originally is $19.50, and I got it for $1,500, so it's about $400 off. This is technically like my Christmas gift, and then the Loewe is like my birthday gift. But they're both technically all, I just kind of like combine them and call it like the end of the year, Christmas, birthday, you did good gifts to myself. So obsessed. And then last but not least, we went to Tory Burch, and almost everything was 50% off. Some things are 30% off, but we both found this. My friend Shay and I, she got the same bag, and we just thought it was so cute. But they wrapped it because mine didn't come in a bag. They only had like 2 left, and the lady had put them out on the floor the night before. They actually had a lot of good stuff in Tory Burch. I was surprised. But we got this like Chanel knockoff, but it's so pretty. It is tweed. It has a little Tory Burch symbol in the front. The colors are just so nice. It's sturdy, really structured. It opens in the front like this, just like a classic flap. And it has a front part right here. The middle is so spacious. It has another part right here, and then it has the long chain. I want to close it for you guys. It has a long chain that's woven just like a Chanel. Y'all, it is so pretty. Such a winter bag, but because it was such a good price and winter's almost over, I know that I could wear it like next year and the year after that. So I was actually really obsessed with this. My friend saw it and she was like, y'all, look at this bag. And we were instantly obsessed. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. It has a back pocket. When I say this has the compartments. So this one was 50% off. So the original price for this one was $5.50 and it was 50% off. So it ended up being $2.75. The name of this bag is the Britain Tweed Small. So this is the small size. Then this is random. So I got these little earmuffs. They were on sale too. They were 50% off. So they were $148 and they end up being $78. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Super cute. I'm probably gonna wear longer wig. I don't know. They were just really cute and they're really warm. So got these. But other than that, y'all, if you're interested in getting a little discounted rate for some designer and luxury pieces, I highly recommend going to the outlets. Everything was pretty much discounted, all the stores. Definitely get there early. We went on a Friday and it wasn't too bad. I'm sure it'd be better to go like a Monday or a Tuesday, but definitely check it out. But other than that, that is it for this haul. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 and I really and truly appreciate all the love and the support and the subscriptions. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.